Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors with just a quick tip. If you're up on a roof doing some work, it's not flat ground, so everything's going to be trying to roll downhill, including your tools, supplies, everything else. So I just want to show you real quick how to avoid that. So you can use the gutters here as a stop so that things don't slide off the roof. You can just intentionally set them down there, then they've got nowhere to go. If it's long enough and flexible enough, like these shingles here, you can use a ridge to just balance them on either side. You've also got plenty of vents. So what you can do, I've done here with this vent, just stacked the nails and the cutting knife behind it. Same right here. They're not directly behind the vent, but if they were to slide anywhere, they would just slide right down into the vent. The gloves, the pry bar, and the hammer. So, you know, if you're going to be using it pretty soon, like these bundles of shingles here, I do use gravity. If those are heavy enough, gravity should hold them in place. Plus, they're got some really strong grip, so it's a large drag coefficient there for anybody who knows some physics. And then, again, just using the vents for those who know geometry. Gravity's going to take it down in a straight line. Geometry. 2 points make a line. All right. Have a good one, everybody.